ये कौन है? ये क्या है?
सर ये आज वो नर्सिंग काउंसिल वाले मैटर्स लगे थे।
हाँ हाँ
सीबीआई
हाँ, यस यस यस। अब आप खोलो ना, खोलो खोलो, ये तो ओपन कोर्ट अफेयर। दो कॉपियों में है। तो बिफोर वी गो टू रिपोर्ट, let us understand how many colleges have been inspected. 140. अच्छा, 140 कॉलेजेस आपने इंस्पेक्शन कर लिए। अभी कितने कॉलेजेस बचे हैं?
55 colleges are protected by the stay order of the Honorable Supreme Court. 169 and 169 are remaining.
मैं इसमें थोड़ा सा
एक पढ़े एक करें तो वो ऐसा है कि वो फिर अगर सब लोग बोलेंगे तो फिर कुछ बात समझ में नहीं आएगी। आपको चांस मिलेगा जब सीबीआई का ऑफिसर खड़ा है, सीबीआई के वकील खड़े हैं और उनका कुछ काम करके आए हैं, तो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं वो। हाँ
Sir, 150 colleges are remaining.
एक मिनट, एक कागज देना, एक वो है क्या? हाँ, वन अभी आपने किया 140 140।
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, और 169 बचे हैं। ओके,
And 55 colleges are protected by the stay order of Honorable.
55 protected by Honorable Supreme Court order. एक मिनट 140 completed, 169 pending, and 55 are protected by Supreme Court order. ठीक है? अच्छा, how many total colleges are required to be inspected? 364. So as against 364, you have done 140 and 169 is pending. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, how much time will you take to complete this 169?
We have 4 months time.
Sorry, 4 months time. All right. 364. So as against 364, you have done 140 and 169 is pending. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, how much time will you take to complete this 169?
We have 4 months time, sir.
Sorry?
4 months time we have start, sir.
4 months time. All right. Now, in these 140 colleges, have you prepared a summary?
Yes, sir. Last page. Website. Yes.
Suitability percentage. Number of colleges inspected, number of colleges found suitable, and percentage.
Either you have given percentage wise.
Yes, sir.
No, but you have given numbers also.
Yes, sir. Government nursing colleges, established.
Now, 3 categories: government nursing colleges, nursing college established and running for last 10 or more years, nursing colleges established and running for last 5 or more years, and nursing colleges established and running for less than 5 years.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, there are 8 nursing colleges, government nursing colleges,
Yes,
run by the government.
Yes,
Right?
Sir. Yes, sir.
You have found 4 colleges suitable.
Yes, sir.
So only 50% suitability of the government nursing colleges.
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
Then you have said nursing colleges established and running for last 10 years or more. 40 colleges you have inspected. 27 have been found suitable. So percentage of suitability is of 67.5%. Then nursing colleges established and running for last 5 years or more. 30 you have inspected. 17 found suitable.
Yes, sir.
That is 56.66%. And the last is nursing college established and running for less than 5 years. 62 you have inspected. Only 27 found suitable.
Yes, sir.
The suitability percentage is 43.54. Now, these deficiencies which you have found in these colleges are of what nature?
So if the deficiencies are minor, then we have declared that college suitable with minor deficiencies.
Very good. Because we are, see, basically, let me tell you one thing. We are not here to go for hair splitting. We are primarily here to ascertain whether colleges have sufficient infrastructure, staff, faculties as required, and of course area of land and logistics, so that the quality of education for nursing courses is not compromised in any manner whatsoever. That is our purpose. But it's only those persons who qualify themselves to appear in the examination should be allowed to take the examination. That is the real purpose, to ensure that all these colleges which are found to be as per the norms established and running bona fidely, we should not have any exception. We do not have any exception. We don't take any exception in any manner. And with your certification, we may proceed further also. So our purpose is not to go in for, some minor aberrations, should not disqualify them. We should not disqualify them. So, the colleges which are not found suitable, according to you, are lacking in material particulars in the context of infrastructure and other supporting staff and faculty, etc. Right? So, this is one. We can say this, that these colleges are not fit to be recognized as colleges.
Sir, if those are deficient, they can remove their deficiencies and make them into the category of suitable.
Right.
But sir, there are some colleges which are running in 4,000 square feet area, 5,000 square feet. So we have declared them unsuitable.
Obviously, because I believe the requirement as per norms is about 18,000 square feet, and if some colleges are being allegedly run, I should say, they must be the education shops. Only counters to get the payment and issue receipts. 4,000, 3,000, 2,000. This is nothing but a fraud. These colleges are fraud. I'm not hesitant to call them fraud, because in the eyes of strict rules and requirements, if they try to manipulate recognition and on papers induct students for examinations, then such institution must be dealt with sternly, and we will not spare them. So you require 4 months time for them. Acha. Yes, Mr. Khedkar, what do you say?
My expectation is,
You are appearing for whom?
I am appearing on behalf of MP Nursing Council. MP Nursing
MP Nursing?
Council. You noted the inspection was directed by the Honorable Board
Yes.
for academic session 2020-20.
20?
2020.
No.
364 colleges which were directed.
Actually, that could be the reason. Maybe you started conducting examination
Yes, sir.
for the session 1920 in the year 22-23 and providing them retrospective recognition. So that is an incidental fact,
That university has given it.
whatever it is.
Yes. I am
See,
not disputing this.
we have taken cognizance of the matter for two reasons. One, whether there could have been retrospective recognition or not. Two, whether such colleges conform to the requirements of rules or not.
Yes.
These are two major issues, and for the later verification, we requested the CBI to take up the matter.
Yes, I am not.
Right? So whether it is of 1920 or 2021 or for that matter 2022-23, it doesn't make any much of a difference. What is the status of the colleges as on date is a relevant thing. If you did not have infrastructure, if you did not have sufficient staff, if you did not have faculties,
Then certainly college cannot.
because one thing more you should also examine the staff, whether the teachers or demonstrators or instructors are qualified persons or not.
No, we are examining it, sir. We are
Last
doing
date
it.
पे शायद order दिया था.
We are verifying the faculty, sir, on the spot with their original certificate, their experience.
Because there is also, we have received a lot of complaints.
Yes, sir. So, sir, if they do not fulfill the criteria, then
Yes.
we don't count them, sir.
Where is your detailed report? अच्छा, the comment part.
एक कॉलेज में तो 1 साल का ही एक्सपीरियंस, 1 साल से कम एक्सपीरियंस पाया है इसमें आपको.
नहीं, we will decide the matter in accordance with the report as well as comments from the council. What do you want to say now?
My respectful submission before what was happening. Our AG has represented before this court, and it has been stated before this court in the academic session 2020-23, when the recognition has been granted, we have appointed the team and inspected the colleges, and granted recognition for near about 500 colleges, in which the colleges of 2020-23 जो इसमें इंस्पेक्शन में है 364 में से 271 कॉलेजेस को हमने मान्यता दी.
300, आप मुझे ये बताइए, वो आपके कितने बताया आपने?
सर 364 में से ये रिन्यूअल जो किया है इन्होंने.
आप मुझे पहले ये बता दीजिए कि आपने कितने कॉलेजेस को मान्यता दी?
ये 271 को दी है हमने मान्यता.
271.
271 को.
अभी 271 364 के पार्ट हैं,
364 का.
ठीक है? अब 364 में से इन्होंने 140 कॉलेजेस का इंस्पेक्शन कर लिया.
यस मैम.
वो 140 में आप कितने हैं?
वही मैं इनसे ये रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा था कल कि मेरे को लिस्ट प्रोवाइड कर दें, तो मैं आई विल प्लेस बिफोर द कोर्ट कि इनमें से ये लोग 90% या 40%, 80%, व्हाटएवर इट मे बी, ये ठीक है इन्हीं की रिपोर्ट के आधार पर. वी कैन से बिफोर दिस कोर्ट, बट दे हैव नॉट प्रोवाइडेड द लिस्ट टू मी.
We will provide you.
यस मैम.
Why should you worry?
मुझे
Once
सिर्फ
the
लिस्ट चाहिए थी कि कितने का इंस्पेक्शन किया है, तो आई कैन वेरी वेल चेक इट कि 2022-23 में हमने जिनको मान्यता दी है.
that you जरा बी केयरफुल, बिकॉज जिसको आपने मान्यता दी है, अगर वो कॉलेजेस CBI के मुताबिक,
बिल्कुल सर, उसके खिलाफ भी हम कार्रवाई कर रहे थे.
हाँ, क्योंकि it becomes a bigger scam.
यस मैम. नहीं, इसमें क्या हुआ है सर, हमारी एजेंसी में हमें 10 या 12 इंस्पेक्टर्स मिलते हैं जो इंस्पेक्शन करते हैं. बाकायदा नॉर्म्स है उसकी, जिसमें एक रेवेन्यू ऑफिसर्स होता है इंस्पेक्शन के टाइम पे लोकल का. तो वो इंस्पेक्शन की जो नॉर्म्स हैं, अकॉर्डिंगली वी हैव क्रिएटेड टीम्स. टीम वहाँ जाती है, अगर टीम ने गड़बड़ की है तो उसकी रिपोर्ट के आधार पर हमारे पास भी सूटेबिलिटी या अनसूटेबिलिटी आएगी, तो उसके ऊपर हमें चेक करना पड़ेगा. वी हैव टू चेक दैट.
Why not?
सो
You should check,
यस मैम.
and you should also ensure
यस मैम.
that the so-called committees so constituted
यस
if they have done some manipulations,
then we will issue the
some ipsy-dixy,
Yes, my lord. We will take action.
some fraud, then
We will take action.
you need to give us the names
Yes,
of those persons.
Yes, my lord.
We will see that those persons, if really found to have done something
Yes,
with the element of mens rea,
Yes, my lord.
then they would not be spared, and no wonder we may order their prosecution.
Yes, my lord. यही हमारा कहना है कि इसलिए वो लिस्ट प्रोवाइड कर दें तो वी विल फर्दर प्रोसीड विद एंड प्लेस द एंटायर फैक्ट बिफोर द कोर्ट कि इनमें से कितना किया या तो ये लिस्ट की कॉपी प्रोवाइड करा दें.
Only list will provide.
लिस्ट प्रोवाइड करा दें उतना ही चाहिए.
Only list will provide you. Report we have. This
Yes, ma'am.
report will go back and seal cover again.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
And then if you have any objection related to that as regards the inspection, what inspection, then now if you get a list,
Yes, my lord.
then you also come back with the inspection reports.
Yes, my lord. I will place the entire inspection report before the court. और फिर उसके बाद अगर ये पाया जाता है कि सीबीआई ने इसको डिफिशिएंस माना है, तब ऐसे स्थिति में we will immediately take action against the person.
So you first to find out
Yes, my lord.
as to how many colleges out of 272
71. Yes,
have been inspected by CBI,
yes, my lord.
and then prepare a list,
Yes, my lord.
give us the complete details, and I expect you to act fairly,
Yes, my lord. I will place the entire fact.
because now you do not think of council, now you think of the public at large.
Yes,
It is more or less a matter where public at large interest is involved.
I will.
We each and every citizen or resident of Madhya Pradesh, concern is well evident, because if they go for treatments in medical colleges, in private medical hospitals or government hospitals, if they are subjected to treatment by persons who do not understand the meaning of nursing, then what would be the situation? And this we will only come to know when there would be a catastrophic situation. That is, if there are mass scale casualties due to negligence and lapses by the nursing staff, which is out of ignorance. And this would create a havoc in the state.
Yes,
So we are careful, concerned, and very serious that only eligible persons should be allowed to appear in the examination, and all these education shops in the name of nursing colleges, which are said to be opened in 2,000 square foot, 3,000 square foot or 4,000 square foot, should be closed, immediately put a seal, and all those persons should be blacklisted. Let their name be flashed in newspapers or any other media that these persons are the persons who have brought disrepute to the state, to the council, and have done disservice to society.
yes, I will.
Don't spare them.
We will take action.
And this matter is pending, will be kept pending
Yes, ma'am.
unless we reach to a logical conclusion. Well, we have to separate chef from the grains. And we'll say all bona fide all colleges which are genuinely being run should also not be made to suffer.
Yes.
Their students should be allowed to take the examination and appear.
Yes, they may proceed their study.
Proceed the examinations. If they qualify,
Yes.
they should go further. We also have this in our mind that they should also we should take care of them also.
एक submission और है सर मेरा।
हाँ.
जो इन्होंने लिस्ट दी उसमें से 8 गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस थे जिसमें से 4 की deficiency
This is the position of state government.
वही सब मेरा सबमिशन है कि उसमें क्या कमियां हैं that would be comes to us, so we will on behalf of state we will improve that particular position.
अब वो इम्प्रूव क्या करेंगे वो तो अपनी जगह पे ठीक है, लेकिन पहले आप ये तो पता कर लो कि आपके कितने कॉलेज का इंस्पेक्शन हुआ है और आप रिकॉर्ड लेके आओ। क्यों मिस्टर राजू शर्मा, You provide them the list of colleges
Yes, sir.
जो 270 पहले आप इनको वो दीजिए लिस्ट
मैं ये दे देता हूँ विजय।
जिनको आपने दिया है और आप इसमें बेहतर ये होगा कुछ नहीं करना आपको इस 274 की लिस्ट में टिक मार्क कर दीजिए
इतना सा काफी है हमारे
कि हमने इतने कॉलेजेस का हमने जो है इंस्पेक्शन कर लिया।
My lord, they may be directed to supply one copy to university.
आप क्या करेंगी?
My lord, we will also verify. Affiliation comes after, but
अरे भाई मेडिकल साइंस यूनिवर्सिटी तो जो है लॉ से ऊपर है मध्य प्रदेश की है। आपके कार्यकलापों का तो कोई अंत ही नहीं है। सारा मेस तो आप ही ने किया हुआ है और अपनी हरकत से आप बाज भी नहीं आ रहे हैं।
अभी भी सर रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव एफिलिएशन दे रहे हैं।
it's an incorrect statement, my lord.
नहीं इनकी छोड़ो, हमें तो देखा है ना जो हमने एक स्टे किया है रिजल्ट्स को, उसमें भी आप भागीदार हैं। ये मेडिकल साइंस यूनिवर्सिटी खुली क्यों हुई है इसमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा। क्या मेडिकल कॉलेज ठीक नहीं चल रहे थे क्या कि उनको बदनाम करने के लिए आपने सेंट्रलाइज कर दिया? अच्छे खासे मेडिकल कॉलेज मध्य प्रदेश में चल रहे थे, अच्छा नाम था उनका। ये आपने मेडिकल साइंस यूनिवर्सिटी खोल करके सब मिस कर दिया और जिन लोगों को आपने वहाँ पे पोस्ट किया है वो वाकई दे डिस्क्वालीफाई देमसेल्व्स टू बी इवन अ डॉक्टर, व्हाट टू टॉक ऑफ बीइंग डायरेक्टर। जो दिया तले अंधेरे वाले कहानी है आप लोग के साथ। आपको किस उम्मीद से, क्या IAS ऑफिसर है कि वो मेडिकल डॉक्टर है जो DME बना है? कौन है वो? इज ए डॉक्टर, मेडिकल डॉक्टर और इज एन IAS ऑफिसर?
खंडेलवाल अशोक खंडेलवाल, डॉक्टर अशोक खंडेलवाल, वाइस चांसलर
आई एम टॉकिंग DME,
यूनिवर्सिटी की।
डायरेक्टर मेडिकल एजुकेशन।
पहले जो कोर्ट के सामने आया था नाउ DSP के
तो is he of the same frequency?
we are trying to
No wonder he put up another black brush and paint everything with black brush. कर रहे हो despite matters pending before the court. I mean, you behaved like a daredevil, unmindful of the orders and pendency. You have started taking examination without there being extensions by the Indian Nursing Council. For despite 2 extensions
extension was granted
at their instance, at your instance,
yes our instance is extension was granted
and still you have not done it.
no examination was required to be conducted by
Within that time,
within time
then it means you are most indisciplined in the matter of law and law enforcement. जो आदमी लॉ के प्रति और लीगल डिसिप्लिन के प्रति इनडिसिप्लिन हो, ऐसे आदमी को पब्लिक सर्विस रहने का क्या हक है? इट्स अ पब्लिक एम्प्लॉयमेंट। यहाँ पे कन्वीनियंस तो नहीं चलती ना, यू हैव टू गो बाय रूल ऑफ लॉ। Anyway, now we'll give a short date. You do it, bring the record,
and I will place the record, entire record, inspection report.
and on that day, that may be a longer day of hearing, because we may have to see your report and compare it with the report of this.
Yes.
Mr. Modi, what do you suggest after we do this exercise? Just a suggestion as an additional advocate general. How should we go about it now? Suggestion, because I'll ask everybody. If you are prepared, it's okay. If not prepared, get back on the next date. All right. Mr. Jayaprakash and Jiten ji, you also be ready with what should be the next step. I just want suggestions.
जी सर।
Ultimately, we will take a decision. because we cannot keep on adjourning the case for some hearing, for some purpose or some other purpose. We have to move forward to ensure that such students who have completed the courses bona fidely, their cases should be examined on case-to-case basis, or maybe whatever sessions come, or institution basis, and should be allowed to they should be allowed to conduct the examination so that they may appear and pursue their further course. Right? So, Shankar Sharma, you also make a note and let us know who else is a stakeholder. Who else is a stakeholder?
Who else is the stakeholder? Who else wants to submit?
INC.
INC, what do you say? All right. Now today we are just postponing it so that just at the instance of Mr. Khirkar to give him the time as regards verification. And you all be ready with suggestions. And it should be all conforming to the concept of rule of law. Huh?
Yes.
It should not be destructive or negative.
No, necessary.
We all are here to ensure justice in furtherance to the concept of rule of law. Right? Okay. Yes. Yes. Mr. Modi, you please ensure that they are provided with adequate staff for ensuring security and facility to expedite the inspection.
सिक्योरिटी में ऑलरेडी ये साथ में हमारे काम करते हैं तो 8 से 10 टीम्स बन जाएंगी अभी 4-5
Okay. You please, can you give me in writing?
Yes.
You do one thing. I'm just postponing for a couple of days. We can call it on next Tuesday. Right? You give me, Mr. Modi would be gracious enough to ensure that you are provided with the facility. Because it's a public work. No issues. Whatever you want, please give it in writing so that he may seek instructions and ensure that that is provided. Right? Okay.
Lord, I have filed an application for
What amendment do you want?
bringing certain facts, subsequent facts and document on it.
Related to?
They are related to the grant of affiliation, further grant of affiliation retrospective effect to the nursing, and same scam is going on in the paramedical courses now. एक ही कॉलेज के अंदर नर्सिंग कॉलेज भी चल रहा है, बीएड कॉलेज भी चल रहा है और पैरामेडिकल भी चल रहा है.
Why you want me to widen the scope of this WP?
नहीं सर, ये शुरू से ही है, इसमें नर्सिंग और पैरामेडिकल दोनों का शुरू से ही है एलिगेशन.
No, but we are right now concerned only matter related to nursing. Now, if you want to bring in other facts which may give rise of different inquiry, that may lead to some
जैसा आप
complications.
फ्रेश फाइल करते थे जैसा आप, क्योंकि पैरामेडिकल में भी सर सेम
Why should I say what do you do?
पैरामेडिकल
I am not here on advisory jurisdiction. This is for you to take a call,
सर
not for us.
सेम सिचुएशन है सर, उसी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में, उसी में नर्सिंग चल रहा है, उसी में पैरामेडिकल चल रहा है, उसी में बीएड चल रहा है.
I do not want to use
दूसरा कॉलेज लगभग ऐसे हैं सर जिनमें.
मैं उन शब्दों का इस्तेमाल नहीं करना चाहता जिसको हम लोग जनरली कहते हैं ना कि डोंट मेस अप. ये मसला केवल नर्सिंग काउंसिल से, नर्सिंग स्टूडेंट से संबंधित है और डीएमई एंड मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी से. इसमें आप इसका स्कोप वाइड कर सकते हैं. You can supply a copy. They will file their response. But prima facie, we are of the view that we should not enlarge the scope.
हम तो सर नॉलेज में ला रहे हैं कि मतलब इंटरम ऑर्डर होने के बाद यहाँ से उसके बाद भी यूनिवर्सिटी लगातार रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव एफिलिएशन देगी पैरामेडिकल और नर्सिंग.
All right, let them file reply.
जी सर.
Huh?
But let's keep it pending. It will be too much on the plate for now. We have done so much work on this that
We will take up this also. He's right. I'll take it on record.
जी सर.
And first let them do this exercise. Let's finish with that and we'll take up this also. Okay. So and so for the petitioner, so and so for the state, so and so for the council, so and so for the Indian Nursing Council, so and so for the CBI with SHRI Deepak Purohit, Deputy SP, CBI, right? सब हाजिर रहेंगे. Shri Awasthi, at the outset, Shri Awasthi has. I'm sorry. At the outset, Shri Purohit has produced a sealed envelope containing 2 sets of inspection report conducted by him and his team. The envelope was opened. Envelope was unfolded in open court. Reports have been perused. As per the report, so far 140 colleges, nursing colleges of 4 categories, government nursing colleges established and running for last 10 years or more, nursing college established and running for last 5 years or more, and nursing college established and running for last 5 years or more. One mentioned below have been inspected. Okay, chart branch. Oh. The report said, still 169 colleges are to be inspected. Shri Purohit prays for 4 months' time to complete the inspection of remaining colleges, nursing colleges. The report demonstrates that out of 8 government colleges, only 4 colleges have been found suitable. Therefore, suitability percentage is 50%. "40 nursing colleges established for last 10 years or more, out of 27 colleges have been found suitable. That is 67.5%. Out of 13 nursing colleges established and running for last 5 years or more, only 17 colleges have been found suitable, and the percentage is 56.66%. And lastly, out of 62 nursing colleges established and running for last 5 years, less than 5 years, out of 62, only 27 colleges have been found suitable, and percentage 43.54%. Shri Purohit states that unsuitability has been assessed keeping in mind the major deficiencies either in the context of infrastructure, staff, faculty, and other logistic supports required to run nursing college over land, including area of land required as per the rules.
मान्यता नियम 2018।
हाँ, तो ये दे दीजिएगा. Minor deficiencies have been not included, which could be rectified. He also submits that due to insufficient supporting staff, the CBI number of CBI teams are less, and उसको ऐसे लिखो, क्या लिखा आपने? He also submits that due to less number of supporting staff, due to insufficient number of supporting staff, less number of CBI, less number of inspection team are working. Stop. Therefore, longer time has been sought. Longer period of time has been sought for completion. Stop. In case there is sufficient deployment of supporting staff, more number of inspection team may be constituted, so that remaining inspection could be carried out in lesser time. ठीक है? Shri Raju Sharma, Council CBI, is directed to file an application detailing the requirements to ensure early inspection of remaining colleges. Next. Shri Khelkar, Grand Council for the Nursing Council, has made a prayer that the state nursing council has given recognition to 271 nursing colleges out of 364 under scrutiny and inspection. He prays that a list of such colleges out of 271 inspected by the CBI may be supplied to him, so that factum of deficiencies found by the CBI could be tested with the report of the inspection of the committee constituted by the council, while according based on and made recommendations based whereupon the council has given the recognition. Sentence बन गया ठीक है? Shri Raju Sharma is directed to supply that list of such colleges inspected by the CBI and falling and are amongst 271 colleges granted the recognition by the state council, nursing council at different point of time. Let the exercise be completed within 2 days. Shri Khedkar is directed to produce the record of such inspected colleges common in the list of 271 and in the list of colleges inspected by the CBI for verification. ओरिजिनल है, ओरिजिनल। और ध्यान रखना, नहीं, नो स्लिप शॉट, नो मैनिपुलेशन एंड नो इंक्लूजन्स। क्योंकि अगर उसमें हमने ये पाया कि फिर खुराफात करी काउंसिल ने, आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग यू, then I will not spare. I will straightway order for their prosecution, lodging of an FIR, because CBI की रिपोर्ट के खिलाफ में अगर कुछ आया और हमने पाया कि वो झूठा है, तो उनके खिलाफ तुरंत FIR करवाऊंगा. This bench will not be hesitant to order for lodging of an FIR, and we will ensure that an intensive and comprehensive investigation takes place in terms of interrogation and other things. So be careful. Don't mess up further. Please, I request, let the council not mess up the things now. We are trying to clear the things and straightening the state of affairs. Please. क्या लिखा आपने? CBI on the next date with record with record in sealed covers. Hence, the hearing of the case is deferred for next Tuesday. Mr. Purohit, नेक्स्ट ट्यूजडे लगा दें. आप रहोगे यहाँ? हो नहीं, अगर आप अवेलेबल हो, कोई डेट चाहिए तो आप बता दो मेरे को. 8 तारीख लगा दूँ. नेक्स्ट ट्यूजडे फर्स्ट वीक लगा दें.
Second is first week. Because the Supreme Court order was the last order which has come.
The Supreme Court also has ordered for early disposal of the petition. It was brought to our notice at a later stage. So we are aware of that order. That's why I am saying let's today is what?
8th is good. 8th is the July.
Today is 27th na?
Second of
Mr. Modi, what do you say?
8th will also give them some time.
One was distinctly the record has to be seen by the court and suggestions also has to be.
I don't want to give them more time.
As you want.
No, let's have it on 3rd of August. आप रिकॉर्ड लेके आ जाइए आप. List on 3rd of August. एक मिनट. The inspection report. Inspection report is given back to Shri Purohit to keep the same. हाँ. एक मिनट रुकिए. क्या करना है आपको? ये तो इसका आप पिक्चर ले लो. नहीं, आप भेज ले लो पिक्चर. इसका इनका एक व्हाट्सएप करके पिक्चर भेज दो ये टेबल का. हाँ, ठीक है. तो इनको तो यहीं हैंड ओवर कर रहे हैं ना. तो क्या लिखा आपने? Shri Purohit to be kept in seal cover and produce on the next date of hearing. इसमें संकल्प, you just take this. या राजू शर्मा आप ले लीजिए. राजू शर्मा, you have a mobile?
Yes, sir.
Just take a picture of that chart. Only chart. आ गया? और इनको अब दे दीजिए. ये आपने आपका है। हाँ बढ़िया। Call out on third, no? What is it? Third. Same thing. I so and so an application for amendment passed on board, taken on record, and shall be considered on the next date.
सीरियल नंबर 40 पे लगा है
है?
प्राइवेट नर्सिंग वाला मैटर, सीरियल नंबर 40
क्या है लगा
इसी
है?
के साथ में
मिस्टर पुरोहित, जरा एक चीज और आप देखिएगा कि इन्होंने प्रिंसिपल्स और टीचर्स की जो अपॉइंटमेंट करी है कॉलेजेस में, वो कब करी है? और जिन बिल्डिंग्स में ये चल रहे हैं कॉलेजेस, ये कब से किराए पे लिया है और किराए के कागज, अगर किराए पे लिया है तो किराए के कागज,
नहीं तो टाइटल,
हाँ
नहीं तो टाइटल का डॉक्यूमेंट, अगर टाइटल का
टाइटल तो टाइटल डॉक्यूमेंट,
वो ले रहे हैं सर।
हाँ ये तो वो। और ये जो टीचर्स भर्ती किए हैं प्रिंसिपल्स, ये कब भर्ती किए इन्होंने? और जो पेमेंट करते हैं ये टीचर्स को,
वो देखते हैं सर।
नहीं तो किस माध्यम से कर रहे हैं? बैंक से कर रहे हैं, कैश कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं ये?
सर कॉम्बिनेशन, कई जगह पे तो बैंक से जाता है, कई जगह पे कैश देते हैं।
हाँ तो वही कैश पेमेंट कहाँ तक परमिसिबल है? और वी डू नॉट नो कि किसको क्या इन्होंने एक्चुअल पेमेंट किया है और क्या लिखवाया है। तो नॉर्मली आजकल तो सब चीज़ ऑनलाइन होता है, तो सैलरी का पेमेंट कैश में किया है तो वो भी इरेगुलरिटी हुई। सब कुछ कैश में चल रहा है, कैश में फीस ले रहे हो, कैश में सैलरी हो रहा है, सब कैश में। तो देखो उसको, आपने देखा भी होगा।
जी सर, और मतलब ये हम वेरीफाई तो करते हैं सर।
नहीं ये इन मुद्दों में भी तो देखो, जो ये सब फ्रॉडुलेंट लूपहोल्स हैं, केवल रिकॉर्ड से बचने के लिए। अगर बोनाफाइड्स होगा तो बराबर चेक जाएगा। आजकल चेक भी क्या, आजकल तो ऑनलाइन पेमेंट्स होते हैं। सभी की सैलरी, सबकी सैलरी है, आप लोग की सैलरी, हम लोग की सब सैलरी ऑनलाइन ही तो आती है आजकल।
ये एलिगेशंस आई भी हैं सर, फैकल्टी डुप्लीकेसी की।
देखिए उसको, लिख लिया आपने ना?
सर फैकल्टी डुप्लीकेसी हम अभी हमारे पास ऐसा कुछ जरिया नहीं।
नहीं हम जितना हमने कहा उतना बोलो, इनकी बात मत सुनो। हमें जो कहा वो लिखा।
हाँ लिखा सर, रेंट एग्रीमेंट, टाइटल डॉक्यूमेंट।
हाँ
प्रिंसिपल्स एंड टीचर्स आपका अपॉइंट हुए हैं सर।
हाँ, और पेमेंट कैसे होता है?
पेमेंट कैसे होता है?
हाँ हाँ। और इन्होंने मेडिकल कॉल ये ना कोई शिफ्ट भी करते हों कि आज साल भर इस यहाँ पे 2 कमरे ले लिए, फिर साल भर बाद कहीं और कमरे 2 ले लिए, जहाँ दुकान अच्छी चले। तो जब वो भी पता करो कब से रह रहे हो भाई वहाँ पे आप। हैं? और इन्होंने ये जो स्टाफ भर्ती करते हैं इसकी सूचना काउंसिल को दिया है कि नहीं दिया है?
फॉर्म में तो प्रोसीजर होता है
तो भाई समझ में तो आए क्या क्या हुआ है वहाँ पे। आपने सब कुछ देख के ही सब कुछ दिया उनको। अब वो जो जितना क्या देखा कितना अनदेखा किया वो सब सामने आ तो रहा है सीबीआई के सामने। अगर एवरेज निकाल लो तो 50% कॉलेजेस आपके डिस्क्वालीफाइड हैं सूटेबिलिटी के इशू को लेकर के। अब एवरेज निकाल लो जो, हाँ सोचो आप 50% कॉलेजेस जो हैं फ्रॉड हैं बेसिक मेजर इश्यूज डेफिशिएंसीज। तो इन सबको भी देखिए। चलिए नेक्स्ट केस।
सर एक आइटम नंबर 40 है
हाँ
in which case I have moved an application
हाँ
on behalf of nursing council.
यस
वो यही मैटर है जिसमें योर लॉर्डशिप हैज स्टेट द रिजल्ट ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन। इसमें क्या है साहब कि हमारा नया सेशन एज पर द नोटिफिकेशन बाय द आईएनसी इज रिक्वायर्ड टू बी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 31st of August 2023।
तो अब इशू तो ये भी आएगा ना।
हाँ वही इसीलिए मैंने रिक्वेस्ट की है कोर्ट से कि कोर्ट में काइंडली डायरेक्ट अस इफ वी अलाउड टू कंटिन्यू और वी डिक्लेयर द पर्टिकुलर ईयर एज अ 0 ईयर whatever it may be court observed we will do it. Otherwise क्या होता है साहब एग्जाम करें तो सामने से शिकायत आती है।
अच्छा मतलब आप हम चाहते हैं वो कॉलेजेस के बारे में हम चलावें हाई
नो
कोर्ट।
माय लॉर्ड दैट इज नॉट।
Why should we say you declare zero college? This is your responsibility.
नहीं, it is our responsibility.
Huh?
We owe the responsibility.
Why you expect this court to say that you declare it as zero session?
No,
हम कौन होते हैं भाई?
we would not declare the 0 session but
ये
if this
जितना मेस आपने किया है,
yes
now you have to take the call. You address the problem. High Court is not going to say you declare it 0 session, you declare it active session.
no my lord,
We will not say
that is
anything.
not my submission.
आपने शरारत करी है तो
So we
आपको ही करना होगा।
yes ma'am.
अगर आप कायदे से एक्ट किए होते तो ये सब लिटिगेशन होता ही नहीं।
yes yes ma'am.
लेकिन आपने तो समाज के खिलाफ भी है, जनता के खिलाफ भी है। इट इज ग्रेट, इट इज वेरी बैड, आई शुड से इट्स सीरियस डिससर्विस टू सोसाइटी। बट फॉर आवर इंटरवेंशन थिंग्स कुड हैव गॉन हेवे और सब अनकंट्रोल हो जाता है।
We want to correct it. Correct
तो
it.
देयरफॉर आपके पास इतने काबिल लोग बैठे हुए हैं काउंसिल में, उनसे आप परामर्श करिए कि क्या करना कैसे करना है।
Because each and every time on behalf of respondent
What?
they say so about
No,
the
I
thing.
think no, Mr. Counsel, you are slightly stretching out and stepping out.
No my lord, I'm not disputing.
If we have taken cognizance,
Yes ma'am.
we have done it on the basis of substantial material,
Yes ma'am. There is a substantial material.
and there is an apparent illegality.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
So it is, don't blame the petitioner.
Yes
If petitioner has brought certain issues before us
yes
which have serious consequences in the public domain, then definitely we have taken the cognizance and we are supposed to take the cognizance.
yes yes. And that is why we have taken immediate action
So,
in the matter.
so don't say that they have, every time they come and
No my
bring
lord,
this
we
thing.
have taken action in the matter. We have stopped the result also of GNM
You
courses
need
when
to.
it has been
You
mentioned.
need to, because we do not
we have
know.
immediately stopped it.
You have to.
Yes ma'am.
So therefore, you decide whatever you want us to do. If you do something good, we will approve it.
Yes ma'am.
This is for you to do.
We will follow strictly as per the norms of the
Behave like a good boy
yes ma'am.
and a proper, good institution.
Yes ma'am.
हाँ, अपनी साख को अच्छा करिए आप।
Yes, my lord, administrator has been appointed by the indulgence of the High Court itself. Registrar has been removed. Because of that, all these
अब वो जो भी है, we don't want to comment at this stage. That we will do at the appropriate time. In between, bring some mend your ways and come back to this court in a most fair manner.
Yes, I will.
All right. साथ में लगा दो.
The item number 32 is also connected with this.
Yes. सब साथ में आएगा.
The number 32.